people to this one. This is for absolutely beginners. This seben is for only beginners. You are a beginner, you will just try this and it will really help you. You are new on this channel, you just subscribe, and then you will tell us where you're watching us from, how you have seen the video, and then watch our previous video, because we have a lot of video here, tutorials, all those video that can really help you. I'm Joel Ngovi Solaro. Thank you. And maybe you need to talk to me one-on-one, kindly. My number is on my profile. You will just inbox me. Thank you. So this my exercise is in D. It starts like this. I'm telling you, very simple. Only beginners. This is very, very simple. The most simple tutorial I have seen is this one. You know, this is one. I know you are a beginner. 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4. So I started 4, 5, 4. You know, another one is here, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 1, 7, and then 1, 7, 1. So I'm starting like this. My progression is 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 5, 4. I'll start on 4. 4. I'll look under D. 1, 4, and then 3. 1. This is, what is this? This is 4, 2, 3, 2, and 1. See which hand is playing it, and I'm playing down, up, down, up. 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you know that lesson. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know how to count. So I will go slowly. And then this is 4. This is replacing 4. So this is replacing the chord 4, or the chord G. So I'm touching, this is 6, and then 4. Oh, after then you return here. You return there, and then 1. Are we together? I want us to go slowly so that you can understand this very, very, very well. strings. And then you will come 5, 5. So you start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7. So 7, 5. Same process. 7, 5, 7, 2. And then you return 6, 4, 6, 1. It's like right, so after the direct, right? So the second part is I'm playing. This is D, right? D. Normal. Oh. And then G, but I will not touching the first strings. Right? This 5 is open, this, and then this one, and then number 2, you'll jump on number 2. See this hand, the way he's playing, let me go with the beat. That's all, my guys. bye bye, and have a nice day or night, depend of the place you are watching us from. Joel Ngovi Solaro here, and good luck when you are learning, and Jehovah bless you. Thank you very much for subscribing, liking the video. Bye bye.